I think the problem with combination studies are several-fold. Is what drugs to combine, but so far with our new drugs that we've tried to combine, the biggest problem actually has been toxicity, side effects, because we are finding that sometimes when you combine them, because you're blocking signaling pathways that are also important in normal cells. When you combine them, you're seeing side effects and so on, that sometimes these are new side effects that you didn't see in single agents, or what we see most commonly are where you have a side effect that was mild, but now when you combine these drugs, it becomes very severe. So we've had trouble, for instance, combining mTOR inhibitors and EGFR inhibitors, because you get a lot of mucositis. We did a study with an IGF inhibitor and an EGFR inhibitor, and there was horrendous mucositis and fatigue, and we couldn't combine them. So I think the biggest challenge is actually the ability to combine these agents in a way that doesn't cause serious toxicities. And then the second part really is going to be the sequence. The reason the sequence is not as important now as it used to be is that most of our agents are oral agents, so you're taking them all the time. And so if we are thinking about real combinations, it really doesn't matter. If you start this pill 3 days earlier and now you start the other one, ultimately you are taking both of them anyway. Whereas in the days where we use chemotherapy, you give one IV, so then the sequence was important because you are giving each once every 3 weeks. So if you gave one dose and then 4 days later you gave the other one, you are separating them.